Hey guys, this is Magical Muffin here, bringing you another video of Animal Jam. We are in the arcade, solo arcade, but I'm gonna play Fall In, I forgot what it's called. Fall In something, I remember that much. Oh, that game there. Fallen Phantom it's called. That one there. Next to the dolphin game. Then next to the hedgehog game. Then next to the hedgehog game is Eat Em Up. Sorry if I sound like a little bit weird because I've got a croaky voice at the moment because I'm knowing I've had my bad cough's back in again. And I'll be showing you my brother's den in a minute if he's gonna come on. I'll ask him what his username is.
Magical boy.
Okay, let's go find him. Right, let's back out of that game and see. Oh God, roll the camera. See if we can find him.
Every day, every video I do is for different features. I'm not good at that at the moment.
If you do watch Family Guy, if you do know Princess Asuela, I can do like Princess Asuela's voice. No, no killing, no. Trying to find my brother. Bye. Hey there guys, what's the crack? I'm back again. Magical Muffin's back here, back again from a little short time, bringing you another video of another animal. Well, not another video, it's connected to my last one. And yeah, see what we do. And when you watch this video, when you watch my videos, if I sound numb, because I my tooth is out, one of my teeth, and yeah. Keep going. Come on, move. And if you don't want to add me, it'll be removing nearly all my buddies on my buddy list, and I re-add my friends, my cousin, and my brother to back it. I go here. Here. That's right. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, won't even. Oh, here we go. Yay! Come on, say it. Yay! If you wonder why I'm flicking, I'm clicking the left arrow, down arrow, and right arrow. So trying to get toward where we want to go. Look at my teddy. Isn't it so cute? Hi guys. Let's see what anybody replies. I see any parties going on actually. In the comments below, tell me what your favourite party is. Because mine is Place Your Pet Party. And the horse only party. Because when you get to play in the mud. And you get all muddy, all brown. And you can't really see yourself because you're all covered in mud. Still saying that. Let's see the rules. Yeah, I'll be back guys in a minute when this game starts. And we're back again guys. That did a little while. Well, not a long while for me, but not a little while for you. I always play medium, so I get so many gems. And sorry if the game's so laggy. It's never been this laggy before. I click U. Click U. Start water. I don't really get the point of this game. Here, but my arrow is here. It's there. It's where the water supply stops. A certain amount of time it should overflow. Let's see if the water keep going. And I'll be ending that in 10 minutes. be playing this game, see how many levels I get to. Maybe play another 3 rounds of this, then go into another game, or find my brother. So that goes down. If I turn this one around, turn that one around, turn this one around twice, I think. Yeah, 1, 2. And you, and you, and you. And again. And you, and you, and you.
No, you're in lagging.
Yeah. You.
Tell your channel, my name's at the head. Tell them put my channel in the description below.
Whoa, too far in. Kinda lagging. Zoom in a bit. There we go. Like with my friend, like hasn't been on for ages. His name's called Linke, something 44. And, like he hasn't been on like ages. Like only on like for 2 hours earlier. Ooh, I got 62 gems in total. Let's play another round. Shall I? You. Kind of funny. Oh, my arm's aching. You go down here, click this one. I click this one. Okay, that's cheating. I have to get more gems. Another one. Another one. No, that's gonna go downwards. It goes either way actually. Come on, load. Done. I'll meet you guys back when it's finished. And we are back in total of 94 gems. Very nice indeed. Right, next level, and no, quit. Yeah. So I hope you like it, guys, and I'll see you guys, all you little rascals, in the next episode. Goodbye.